We'll go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Gonna go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. I can fire in places where I did not use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledged, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed. I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess. Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop aim.
Acknowledged.
Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh, Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. Well. You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
I copy.
Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance. Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
Thank you for dropping that shout out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission? Wow.
How sweet it is to be a god.
Isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
I think I hit something.
Come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. We're gonna go over here.
Ready to rock.
Katie.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah. There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool. You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by.
I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal. Okay, so hey. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. And I could. What, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
And if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom?
Aye.
You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
And... I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Right. I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces.
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic. Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
You need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor. We will let loose on this cougar.
Target.
Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh yes. Get more treats.
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Kit Fox is going to be target A. Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah. Oh, yeah, she did. Um. Hmm. I at least did a little bit. Ooh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemoth's.
Onward.
Oh, wow. You can fucking go.
Move into position.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
What? We're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much. Go for it. Turn off an LRM 20.
10-4.
What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go right there.
Copy that.
Roger.
I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently... Well...
Good to go.
That is one less, enemy to deal with. Shady. You get to play with a new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors. If I go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head.
Aye.
Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. Where the Ferk?
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way.
That
You
means the
betcha.
shooting is going to start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Cause like, if the enemy blows up, you know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
On my way.
Alright. Well, let's continue on our way.
Coordinates received.
Oh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. Cherokee, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of Foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do.
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because... I mean... Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
It's building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Okay. There we go. That looks right. Load. Okay. Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh. I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun.
Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go fan. You should say thank you to Sharky. Two, 6, 56. Damn. You know what?
Standing by.
Cardon in the slow ass Atlas. Move up that way.
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that some bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
That. Rent as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down. Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come. Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment. Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that. Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay, I think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. Load. Yay! What? Doesn't... Oh, blood asp. In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck.
Ready for orders.
But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the Fire Moth. That'll give me 3 Fire Moth pieces. I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
Coordinates received.
Okay, yeah. Don't know why there's...
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think Phantom.
Heads now.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you? I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots. Okay. Well. Servo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret my good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
Rolling.
I just, something tells me they're having a very bad day. Normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.